In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Premium. To get started, open Notion and go to your Notion page. This is the workspace where you'll begin the upgrade process. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one workspace. That helps avoid upgrading the wrong space by mistake. Once you're on your Notion page, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on your space name. This opens the workspace menu where you can access account and workspace related options. If your screen looks slightly different, just look for the name of your current workspace in that same top left area. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your workspace preferences, billing, and plan details. If you're using Notion for a team or organization, this is also where most administrative controls are usually located. Inside Settings, scroll down to the very bottom under the Access and Billing section, then click on Upgrade Plan. This is the area where Notion shows your current plan and gives you the option to move to a paid tier with more features. Next, review the available plans and click Upgrade under the one you want. The options typically include Plus, Business, or Enterprise. Take a moment here to choose the plan that best matches your needs. For example, if you just need more features for personal use or a small team, one option may be enough, while larger teams may prefer a more advanced plan. After selecting your plan, fill in your card information in the payment fields. You'll also need to decide whether you want to be billed monthly or annually. Annual billing can sometimes be more cost-effective overall, while monthly billing gives you a bit more flexibility, so choose the option that works best for you. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly double-check the billing details, the selected plan, and whether you chose monthly or annual payment. That can help prevent mistakes before the purchase is finalized. Once everything is complete, click the upgrade button for the plan you chose. After that, Notion will process the payment and apply the premium plan to your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Notion account to a premium plan. If you found this helpful, you can now explore the additional features included with your new plan and start making the most of your workspace right away.